Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome to your oracle reading message for the day for July 20th, 2020. This is Shilpa Menon. Today is a new moon day. Again, a day to sit down and manifest your goals and desires. Sit down and ask what is it that you would wish to create for the next fortnight. And of course, when we sit down and create our goals and dreams or desires, there are certain patterns or beliefs that we may want to release, especially when you do think of a new goal. And most often they say, create goals which you think are not sometimes achievable, but little more stretchable. And if your dream is larger than you, you're living your life purpose. So go ahead, create your dreams, desires list today. There is a very high possibility certain fears may show up. It's interesting if you can sit down and release that anxiety. Why am I talking about this? Is because today before I logged in, I did pull out a card. I decided to call upon archangels, right? So I pulled out an archangel card from Archangel Oracle decks, and what did I see? The card that is shown up for today is Chakra Clearing. Very beautiful card again. Archangel Metatron. You can also call him as God of Life, or sometimes someone whose name means he who guards with gods. It's a very beautiful card. Archangel Metatron, it's been believed that has walked on earth at one point. Call upon him when you want to work with your chakras. How would you know he's present? Two ways. One, his aura is purple and green stripes, or violet and green stripes. In fact, if you can invoke this light in and around you today. Second, you will see sacred geometry. Sacred geometry, we all know, is how life is created. Ashwita, that's amazing that you were thinking of doing chakra clearing today. The Metatron card is validating. In fact, when I woke up, I was so groggy, so dreamy. The first thing I did in my shower was I went ahead and did chakra clearing. The simplest and the easiest way I do is I visualize that the water that's falling from the shower is the light that's falling from top of my head and is working inside my organs and all my chakras. Not necessary you may know where your chakras are, but the intention is good enough to begin with. So my intention throughout was release anything that's blocking me, release anything that's stopping me from going through the day, so that I feel clean, cleared. And when I kept doing that, I started to feel much better. So yeah, and very interestingly, I got Archangel Metatron again. So call upon me to clear and open your chakras using sacred geometry shapes. You can look up for Metatron Cube online, but it's also a Merkaba. So two things: clear your chakras by invoking his presence, and invoking is just tuning in and calling upon names, saying, Archangel Metatron, come help me clear my chakras. Release the fears, because like I mentioned in the beginning that you're going to make your dreams list today if you're keen on a new moon ritual. So say release the fears that's holding me back from becoming what I really wish to become. Second is that you can go ahead and visualize that this Merkaba is around you. You're sitting inside it, and it is a very powerful protective grid. So go ahead, clear your chakra, and then protect yourself with Metatron's sacred geometry cube. Do that. It is really needed for the day. It's new moon energy. New moon is in Cancer. A lot of feminine energies are coming in. So new beginnings, new shifts is going to happen. Allow that to come through you, and intuitions are going to be on the peak. So for your intuitions to be more powerful, it's important to clear your chakras. So go ahead and do that. Happy new moon. Happy creating new goals. And this is Shilpa Menon. I'm signing off for the day. Your oracle reading message for 2020 is invoke Archangel Metatron and clear your chakras. Goodbye everyone. Have a nice day.